Hi, so this is a quick tutorial on Jesus, Son of God by Chris Tomlin and Christy Nockels. There are a few keys that we can play it in, but for this time we will use the song in the key of D. It is easier to sing, although you don't get that octave jump that a lot of people like to sing it in. But again, this is an easier key to sing for most people, so we will do it in the key of D. I'll just go through the chords real quick. There's a chord of D, it's a standard D, and there's G over D. So usually I play it like this, or you can also play it like this. It's almost like G major 7, but it works sound wise. And then this is A over D. We don't have D on the top string, right? So this is just a combination of the chord of A and the chord of D. I make sure that the top string, this one, is muted, so it doesn't sound like that. That is just like an A chord. It sounds like this without the top string. Okay, so D, G over D, A over D. Again, this is not the technically correct chord description, but the sound works. And then there's B minor, D on F sharp, similar to similar to B minor, but then you mute the second string, this string, right? That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. The strumming is very simple. If you're comfortable, yeah, let's just sing it. You know, first one chorus, first two chorus, bridge. Yeah. just realized I used also another version of G over D, so you can play it like this, like I told you. So there are three ways to make it sound like G over D. Again, it's not technically G over D. This sounds okay, right? So you mute the second string. This is the G bass here over here. The bottom is just regular D, and then there's the G major 7, which also works. I also use this. You know, it's like this, but then the middle finger on the G bass. That also works as a G over D. Now the strumming pattern, real quick. For the verse, it's like this. Right, that's one set, and then we just repeat. Continues all the way through the verses, and then the chorus is similar. It's very general, nothing really special on the chorus. On the altar, 1, 2, 3. On the altar of my praise, let there be no higher name. Jesus, Son of God, you lay down your perfect love. You are the sacrifice, Jesus, Son of God. Yeah. For the A on C sharp, technically it's like this: A suspended 2 over C sharp, but you don't really have to. The regular A suspended 2 works just as well. Right? You are the sacrifice. It's supposed to be A over C sharp, but again, A suspended 2 works. Just quick note on verse 2. The second part of verse 2, the chord change. So that's when you want to kind of play a little bit low, and because it's building up towards the chorus. So let's try verse 2. You'll see the difference between the first half and the second half of verse 2. So you took our sin. You took our sin.